What's up, y'all? It's your girl August, and I'm back with another recipe. Today we have a super fun one, hot dog chili. It's a small batch recipe, of course, so I'm only making 2. I have all my ingredients prepped out already, so meet me at the stove and let's get cooking. All right, so I have my pan here over medium heat. I just waited till it got really hot, and we're going to brown our ground beef. Since this is a small batch recipe, I'm only using half a pound of ground beef for this. And you want to just start chopping it up because you want it to be smaller pieces. Now, most people, when they're making the hot dog chili sauce, they use a pot. But since this is a small batch recipe, we do not need a large pot for this. So a medium to small size skillet is good enough. So I just start chopping it and kind of swirl it around. You do not need any oil in the pan because ground beef produces a lot of fat, and we're going to keep the fat for the chili. Okay? So now I'm going to just leave it alone a bit, and I'm going to add in some red onion. Most people don't add red onion because they're going to put onions on the top, but I love some onions, so I put onions in it and on top at the end, okay? You can omit the onions in this step if you want to, but I just love how it tastes. So just stir this around a bit. And then I'm just gonna let it sit for a few minutes so it just cooks up and browns a little bit more on its own, and then we'll proceed to the next step. Okay, a few minutes has passed, and as you can see, the ground beef has browned quite a bit more. So now I'm going to add in my seasonings. So I mixed them all together, but it is chili powder, some smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and cumin, okay? So give this a little stir. Okay, and I did not add salt because I'm going to add a little bit of chicken broth and some tomato sauce, and that is salted. Okay, so now that that's mixed around, I'm going to add in my tomato sauce. Okay, a little bit of, I said chicken broth before, I meant to say beef broth, so a little bit of beef broth. Okay, and some Worcestershire sauce. I hope that's how you pronounce it. Sometimes I call it W sauce, but you know what I mean. Add a little bit of that in. And I turn the heat to high, and we're just gonna let this simmer for about 7 minutes. Okay, and you wanna just stir it occasionally. All right, so the 7 minutes is up. As you can see, a lot of the liquid reduced, and we have a beautiful chili sauce that we're gonna put on the hot dogs. Look at that. Smells so good and flavorful. I cannot wait to eat it. So let's go assemble the hot dogs. Okay, so our chili is done. I have my hot dogs and toppings ready here to go, and we're just gonna assemble it. You can make the hot dog any way you want. You could grill it or pan fry it. It's up to you. So now I'm just going to add the chili on top. Ooh, looks so good. Okay, now I'm going to add the chili to the second hot dog. Oops. Oh, yeah. And I like to add the cheese almost immediately just so it kind of melts onto it a bit. Okay. And then, of course, like I said before, I'm going to add some onions. Okay. And there you have it, some delicious hot dog chili for our chili cheese dogs. The full written recipe is on my blog. The link is in the description below. And as always, I told y'all there's food at home.